Hey guys, I'm Gia Naseem and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. Actually a review of a few different products from the Banish skincare line. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over social media. This is the Banish Starter Kit, and this company is geared towards helping people with acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and it also contains some products that help build collagen and improve the skin's elasticity and just overall glowiness. So I actually used our pumpkin enzyme mask for a little bit last year, but I never really got around to doing a full review of it. So when they recently reached out to me about doing a possible collaboration, I had to jump on the chance because I was actually on their Instagram a little while ago and I saw this cool new tool that they have called the Banisher 2.0. Now this is a totally different micro needling tool that is very different from the one that you're used to seeing, which is usually like the one that you roll over your skin. Those ones are actually not so great for you. I will explain that to you a little bit later on. And besides wanting to try that tool, I was like, yeah, I'll do a collaboration because I also wanted to try all of these other goodies that come in the starter kit. So is this Banish starter kit worth it? Is it worth all of the hype? I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company, and then I will tell you about all of the products that are in here, what they do, and how they work. So Banish is a company that was started by a person named Daisy, and Daisy is someone that had skin problems her entire life. Like, her skin problems started in grade 3. So over the years, she tried absolutely everything to help her skin. She went to dermatologists, to doctors, tried prescriptions, and nothing was helping her. So when she got to college, her skin went totally haywire. So as most of us would do, she's decided to save thousands of dollars and get laser skin resurfacing. But luckily, before she went through with the procedure, she met with a plastic surgeon who told her about the benefits of using vitamin C in conjunction with beauty tools. So of course, before she went and did something totally invasive, she decided to try out this method. It totally worked for her. So she decided to create the skincare line that would not only help her, but help other people as well. The skincare line was based on clean ingredients, totally cruelty-free, organic and natural, and it is also made with ingredients that are not harmful to the skin. So the good thing is that it is suitable for all skin types. All right, so let's talk about the starter kit and what it comes with. Of course, as you can see, it comes with its own carrying case, so all of the products fit very nicely and snugly inside this. So if you go traveling, you can take this with you anywhere. So here is the first product from the Banish Starter Kit. It is the Activated Charcoal Clay Mask. It draws out impurities from your pores. It's really great if you have oily, acne-prone skin. You can use this 1 to 2 times a week, and a little bit goes a long way. So the next product in here is the Banisher 2.0. This is the tool that I was telling you guys about earlier. This is like a micro needling stamp. So this is a much better option than the rolling versions that you guys might be used to. A lot of people don't know that you can actually get tram track scarring from the rollers because they go into your skin at an angle. So when you're constantly going over your skin in different directions, it can actually cause scars. Whereas opposed to this one, since the bristles are straight, it goes directly straight into your skin, and it doesn't cause those like angled micro needle holes in your skin. So I'm going to show you how to use this on your face. With the Banisher 2.0, you also have the Banish oil. And this Banish oil is something that you can use every single night. This is a vitamin C serum that's made with the most potent form of vitamin C. So when it's used in conjunction with the Banisher 2.0, it really helps your skin to repair itself. So next up in here, we have the vitamin C cream. And this is a skin repairing cream with 20% vitamin C. It's super, super light, very absorbent. Some moisturizers kind of make you feel like they're a little bit greasy on your skin, but this is actually surprisingly very light. You can use this after the Banisher, and you can also use this morning and night because you're only using the Banisher like once a week. So the rest of the week you can actually continue to use this and take all of the advantages of the vitamin C in this cream. Now, after using the cream, I like to use the Vitamin C Beauty Elixir. This is a nice light facial mist that can be used daily. It helps to hydrate and even out the skin tone. And I always apply a nice mist after I moisturize because it really helps to soak in all of that product into your skin. And of course, lastly but not leastly, we have the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is one of my favorite things in this entire kit. It smells so delicious. And I feel like right now is the perfect time to be reviewing this because it's almost fall, but this is something that they have year round. So it's not necessary that you use it during fall only, of course. You can use this year round. It's a natural exfoliating mask that removes all of the dead skin and revitalizes and improves the texture and the tone of your skin as well. So I'm going to show you exactly how I use it. It's super simple. It does tingle a little bit, but it doesn't burn. So when you feel the tingling sensation, you can kind of tell that it is working. You use this 1 to 3 times a week, and if you want a little bit of an extra boost to your skincare routine, you can use this after the clay mask. So first, the clay mask is going to get rid of all of that dirt and oil from your pores. And then afterwards, when you apply this mask, it's going to give you a little bit of an exfoliation. So it's kind of like an at-home spa treatment almost. And you also don't want to use this after the Banisher. I use this a little bit before because obviously if you use it after the Banisher, it's going to sting a little more. So definitely try to do this maybe an hour or two before you use the Banisher. So once a little bit of time has passed, I like to go in with the Banish 2.0. This tool actually makes micro wounds in your skin that trigger your skin to heal and repair itself, to build new collagen fibers, to reduce the appearance of scars when applied with the vitamin C. So you can use, of course, the vitamin C cream or the Banish oil because they both contain a lot of vitamin C, so it's perfect to be used along with that. So what you do is you stamp it, turn it 90 degrees, and then stamp it again in the same area, and you do it about 4 to 5 times, turning it each time. And I really love that you can have a lot of control over where exactly you are stamping your skin and where you are doing your micro needling. And this is also something that you can only use on scars. You don't want to use this on actual like acne or pimples. You don't want to wear any makeup for at least 8 hours after you do this because obviously you're making holes in your skin. You don't want to get product in there besides the actual product that is meant to go into your skin to help it look beautiful. So make sure you do it at nighttime, get plenty of rest, and by morning time you can go ahead with your regular routine. So I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like really close up. These bristles are made of titanium and they are also gold plated. And as you guys know, gold is bacteria resistant and it also promotes collagen growth. After I use the Banisher, I like to apply the vitamin C cream. This cream will help speed up the collagen building and scar fading process. And when you use this cream with the Banisher, it also helps with fine lines, hyperpigmentation. So overall, your skin gets a very nice, beautiful, healthy glow. And of course, to finish off this routine, I give myself a couple sprays of the Vitamin C Beauty Elixir to really soak in all of that product deep down into my skin. So final thoughts. Overall, I definitely love the products. They are very high quality. So if you suffer from acne scars, or any of the other problems that I mentioned earlier, or even if you just want to give your skin a little boost of radiance or a little bit of rejuvenation, then look into this kit. It is totally worth it. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can also use my coupon code GIANASSIM. I'm going to add their purchase link in the description below along with my coupon code. You can follow me on my Instagram, GIANASSIM, and my Snapchat, Real GIANASSIM. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.